Okay. No, stop. Stop.
See, watch him. You hear the sound of the ice on the water? It's a pretty wicked sound.
Oh, look at the seagull in the river.
Isn't it cute?
Could you throw one way out for him?
Oh, God. I guess.
Yeah. Now stop. He's coming.
He's looking at it. He's eyeballing it.
Let's just watch him. Could you stop a minute?
Sure. Hi, Seagull. You're an albatross, aren't you?
He's really a slowpoke.
Albatross. Little albatross, like a monitor of the Union. He's eyeballing that bread, but his friend wants to smack it first.
Oh boy.
Hurry
up, hurry up.
Come on, what are you looking at, huh?
Hurry up.
Looking at army tanks?
Hurry up, look at this, look at this.
Buddy, come here for a kissy.
Look at the other one is about to swoop in.
You're not sure. What are you thinking about, huh?
Throw another one in that guy's direction so he really is motivated.
There's some that are
look at this,
wheeling
look
about.
at this.
There, you lost it, buddy. You didn't go fast enough.
He can't get it either. Oh.
Yeah.
Interesting. He's not motivated.
One is like an albatross, and one are like normal seagulls, I guess.
So this is where they were hanging out. Huh.
He's uncertain about the bread. It's beautiful, isn't it? Oh, choking on it. Don't choke on it. Look at him. Choke, choke, choke. Yeah.
Boy, he got that down.
It's still in his throat.
Uh-oh, I hear sirens. Is that for us?
No, it's not.
I stopped filming for a minute.
Can I shoot?
Yeah. Give me this.
Yeah.
Give me this.
Yeah. No, you're still shooting. The ice is making a noise against the water. Yeah, he'll be okay.
He's leaving.
He's crazy. He's totally mad. He thinks he's an eagle.
Oh, he's trying to mate.
He wants to mate. Hi, will you be my friend?
Oh, look, they're fighting over.
They're kicking each other in the face. There's tons of bread, guys. Relax. There's bread over here. Look.
Look at them gulping it down.
Yeah, they're like gulping it and choking it.
And our original seagull is way, way off, heading in the opposite direction.
He's way over. I think he's in the water. He's just nervous. Hey.
This is a very small group of birds.
They're not extremely hungry. The rivulets are making quite a noise against the ice. Like crickets. Not quite. Birdie, birdie. Birdie, chokey, chokey, bird.
He's about to retch.
It's okay. He can retch. It's gonna be okay.
Here comes another one. I think they have shunned that guy out in the water. He's
one was like an albatross.
Skating over to get that dirt.
And the others are like seagulls.
This is too close to us. That's why they're not coming to us.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah. They want to. They're looking.
See, there's my buddies. Oh, hey now. There's still lots of food here. He's skating.
Look at that.
He's skating.
We got one.
There's more seagulls. I'll back up. Oh. Tumult.
There's ice and it's heaving. It's like...
Yeah, and it's making a cool noise too.
Very thin.
I'm approaching like 5 minutes on this.
I'm saving this piece for that poor shunned seagull.
Maybe he'll come over. Well, we went scanning for eagles and we found seagulls. Yay!
I love seagulls.
I got 5 minutes on this. I'm going to end off on this video.